Did you know that seniors who practice meal prepping can save up to 7 hours each week compared to those who cook from scratch every day? Imagine what you could do with all that extra time. A few more walks in the park, catching up with friends, or simply relaxing with a favorite book. For many, the kitchen can feel like a daunting place as the years go by. Have you ever found yourself wishing there was an easier way to enjoy home-cooked meals without the daily hassle and exhaustion? Meal prepping isn't just a trend for busy professionals or fitness enthusiasts, it's a game changer for seniors too. By planning and preparing meals in advance, seniors can take the guesswork out of daily cooking, ensure balanced nutrition, and free up precious time and energy. The idea is simple. Dedicate a little time on 1 or 2 days each week to prepare multiple meals. Then, when hunger strikes, healthy and delicious options are ready to enjoy in minutes. As we age, the kitchen can present new challenges. Perhaps your hands aren't as steady as they once were, or standing for long periods leaves you tired. Maybe you've noticed that grocery shopping and cooking a full meal every day just takes more energy than it used to. On top of that, health conditions like diabetes, high blood pressure, or heart disease might mean you need to be more mindful about what you eat. All of these factors can make meal preparation feel overwhelming. But here's the good news. Meal prepping can address many of these hurdles. By planning ahead, you can reduce daily kitchen time, avoid last-minute unhealthy choices, and tailor meals to your dietary needs. Let's explore a few practical secrets that make meal prepping easy and effective for seniors. Start by selecting simple, nutritious recipes that don't require complicated steps or hard-to-find ingredients. Think about dishes that come together quickly and can be made in larger batches, like hearty soups, stews, casseroles, or stir-fries. These meals are not only comforting, but also easy to portion and store. Look for recipes that use similar ingredients to cut down on grocery costs and reduce waste. For example, roasted chicken can be enjoyed on its own one night, then shredded for salads or sandwiches the next. Versatile ingredients are your best friends in the kitchen. Staples like brown rice, whole wheat pasta, beans, and fresh or frozen vegetables can be mixed and matched throughout the week. Cook a big pot of rice or quinoa on Sunday, and you'll have a nutritious base ready for a variety of meals. Simply top with different proteins and veggies for a new flavor every day. Don't overlook the convenience of frozen vegetables. They're just as nutritious as fresh and require no washing or chopping. Batch cooking is another powerful strategy. Prepare double or triple portions of your favorite dishes, then divide them into individual containers and refrigerate or freeze. This way, you'll always have a healthy meal on hand, whether you're dining alone or inviting a friend over for lunch. Investing in stackable, easy-to-open containers can make storage and reheating a breeze and help with portion control. If you have limited energy, try breaking meal prep into shorter sessions. Instead of cooking everything at once, spread tasks over a couple of days. Chop vegetables while watching your favorite TV show, or cook grains and proteins separately in the morning when you have more energy. Some seniors even find it helpful to prep ingredients and assemble meals right in the slow cooker or instant pot. Set it and forget it until dinner is ready. Let's hear from Margaret, a 74-year-old retiree who was once overwhelmed by daily cooking. She used to rely on takeout or frozen dinners, finding it difficult to muster the energy to cook for one. After attending a community class on meal prepping, Margaret decided to try it herself. She started small, preparing a big pot of vegetable soup and a few baked chicken breasts every Sunday. Soon, she was experimenting with new recipes and freezing individual portions. Margaret found that not only did she have more time to spend with her grandchildren, but she also began eating healthier, lost a few pounds, and felt more energetic. Her doctor even noticed improvements in her blood pressure and cholesterol. Meal prepping transformed her kitchen routine from a daily struggle to a source of confidence and pride. Let's recap the secrets that can make meal prepping a success for seniors. First, simple, nutritious recipes save time and promote health. Second, versatile ingredients and batch cooking allow you to prepare multiple meals with minimal effort. Third, breaking up prep tasks and using helpful kitchen tools like slow cookers or food processors can reduce fatigue and make cooking more enjoyable. And, perhaps most importantly, meal prepping supports healthier eating habits, helping you manage health conditions, avoid processed foods, and enjoy a greater variety of meals. Imagine opening your fridge to see neatly organized containers filled with colorful, delicious meals. No more wondering what to cook or resorting to unhealthy options. Instead, you'll have more time for the things you love, more energy, and the peace of mind that comes with knowing you're nourishing your body. If you've ever felt frustrated by daily cooking or worried about staying healthy as you age, meal prepping could be the key to a simpler, happier kitchen routine. Give it a try, start small, experiment with your favorite flavors, and discover the freedom that comes from planning ahead. If you found these tips helpful and want more practical advice for living your best life, don't forget to subscribe. There's a whole community here, ready to support you on your journey to healthier, easier meals and more joyful days.